So let me show you how to add a post to a WordPress website. Posts are a little bit different than pages. Pages tend to be static, like the home page, the About Us page, the Contact Us page, whereas posts are new pieces of information that you want to add to the site, like news. So for example, on my site, I've got lots of news posts that I've added in over time, and that's the full list. If I want to add in a new one, I click on Add New, and the page opens that allows me to add in a new news post. So I'm going to type in a post for Merry Christmas. And every post must have a title. When I add in the title there, it'll auto-generate the link. I didn't have to put it in, and the system does it for me. I'm going to add in a heading, Merry Christmas, and I'm going to format it to be styled as a heading. So when I click on that little paragraph styling box, I can set it to be a heading. I'd advise you to do that because it'll look better, and as well, Google will index your site, pick up the site title, pick up the site link, and it'll also pick up the site heading so that it will know what this post is about. So I would say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all, and looking forward to this season. Okay. As I add in some text, the interface is very much like Word. I can center align with these little alignment buttons, or right align or left align. And I can also format the text with some bold, and I can also maybe apply, if this was a quote, I could apply some styling. And when I save that, you'll see what that looks like. In relation to going further down the page, what you can do is you can add in some keywords. So because this article is, this post is related to Christmas, if I put in Merry Christmas, what I'm basically doing is giving an indication to Google what this article is about. If I was to add more of the term Merry Christmas in here, this little guy would change from red to orange to green. This is optional, it's not essential, and but it will help your website post rank better. Just in relation to adding in an image, what you can do is you can go down and you can position the cursor and click on Add Media. What it'll allow me to do then is upload an image. So here's the existing media library with all of the images that are on the site so far. But if I click on Upload Files and I click on Select File, I can pick up an image that's already on my PC and add it in. So it does that in a matter of seconds. And then I'd always recommend putting in the alt tag over here for people who are visually impaired, because if they use a screen reader, it will help them find out what that image actually is. And this will massively help with your SEO as well. So when we insert the image gets added in, and it looks like this image is a little big. So if I click on the image, these locks become active, and 4 little blocks in each corner. And if I drag towards the center, it'll start to resize the image. So already this is looking a bit better. And I want to maybe move that image up there a little bit, so I can drag and drop it so that it moves the text out of the way. If you want to put the text to the right of the image, and this alignment box becomes active when you click on the image. So if I click on this image and then I click left align, then already you can see that the image is aligned a bit better. Finally, if I want to add in a link, you must put in the text first. So I'll put in something like click here. I highlight the link, and I click on the link button, and then I put in the link that I want people to go to. So RTE/news. Then over on the right hand side of the page, I'd highly recommend adding in this featured image. So normally when you see some news on a site, it has some text and an image. If you don't set the featured image like this, it won't have the image. So normally it makes sense to upload the set the featured image to the image that you've just added to the page. So I'm going to do that. And then moving up the page, the tags again on the right hand side, these are Google tags. So we're going to put in Merry Christmas, Merry, and maybe a geographical reference, Loud, Ireland. Add in 3 or 4 tags like this and it will help with your SEO. Finally, I just want to click on news because I want this post to appear in the news category, and then I hit publish. And let's have a quick look to see what that looks like. If I go out and click on my view post up here, I can see what it looks like, and there's the news article.